What's up, y'all? This your boy Ant. Back at it again. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Household, couple to love. You know what I'm saying? I'm rolling solo on this project because I'm finna get the wifey. Finna get her with these right here. I'm finna put them in my mouth, tell her to come down, step on my back. She upstairs with the kids. You hear? Y'all hear? Listen. Look, see, they're up there playing games. So I was out supposed to be working on the car, but I got a little done a little early. So she was upstairs getting ready because we're gonna shoot another video today and stuff. All right, so we're gonna prank it up, y'all, okay? All right, y'all ready? All right, here we go. Set this up, y'all. Gotta set this camera up right. Let me set it up right. Come, let me make sure this is right. Come on, oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, step on my back. Yeah, that's perfect. Brandon!
What?
Come here! Come here!
What you want?
Come here!
Give me a second. Give me a second.
What I want? You supposed to be coming? Yes, King. That's what I want to hear. What you need, King?
What you want?
I need you. That's what I need you to say. What you need, King?
What
how may I help you, King? What can I do for you today? I need you to step on my back. My back is hurting.
Why? Why is your back hurting?
Because I was working on that car, you know what I mean? And I was bent over the hood today, and I think I tweaked it or something, so I need to be popped.
So you want me to pop your back on the floor or when you standing up?
On the floor, right?
So how you want me to do that?
I want you to put some weight on it.
What do you mean put some weight on it?
That's why I made me a thick girl. Cause I need somebody to put some step on it. Put that thickness on my back and crack it.
Anthony, I'm not stepping on your back.
Come on.
If your back is hurting, that's gonna make it worse.
It's not. You ever pop like when you crack your knuckles? And, you know, I can't crack mine right now. But when you crack your knuckles, you hear it.
So you want me to step on your back?
Good. Yeah, that's what I need my back to be done.
Where you want me to step at?
Right here.
I really don't feel comfortable doing this.
It's about what you feel. It's about what I feel.
Where, right here?
Yes. Yeah. Right there. Hold on.
Why you want? So you want me?
Yeah. I don't know where your feet been. I don't want.
Shut up. I've been in the house. I'm about to go.
Your feet might got that Rona.
What?
Nothing. Just step on my back, baby.
My feet. You stupid. So you want me to put my feet on my back? So you want me to just put one or walk on it or what?
I want you to put that thickness, them childbearing hips on my back.
Be quiet.
Get them thickness on my back.
Look, I really don't feel comfortable doing this.
Oh my gosh, why is it?
Okay.
Christmas.
All right. Stop whining. Okay, so I'm gonna put it, but I really feel like I'm gonna fall.
You ain't gonna fall. If you fall, I'll call 911 or something.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, that just don't. Okay, so you want me to step? Okay.
One, I said 1, 2, 3. I want you to do it. 1. So I could be ready. 1. You count. 1, 2, 3. Oh God! Oh my God, Randy, what did you do? I ain't say put that much weight on it.
You just told me to stand on your back. See, that's why I didn't want to do it.
Call 911. Call 911.
Where does it hurt? Anthony.
Call my mama. Call my mama. Call 911.
Anthony. Wait. Anthony, stop crying. So, Anthony, can you move?
Oh no.
Anthony.
I don't know. All
right, come on, get up. Get up, let's see if you can move. Get up. Come on. What?
Call 911.
Anthony.
Call 911, baby.
Are you playing?
No.
Here,
No.
Come on, get up. Okay. You want me to call 911?
And tell them you just got pranked.
You?
What? God, look. I set up the camera over there, and I got one up
Where?
There. Right there.
Where?
Look. Hold on. Under the pillow.
I see it.
Look. Hey, say hey, what's up to couple of love, cause you just been got. You been got by Mr. Household.
You got me, but I was like, what is going on here? I couldn't figure it out. I don't know if you was playing.
No.
Or if you were serious. I'm just like.
I wasn't playing. That was
You
good
really
acting
got
skills.
me.
You know what I mean? Good acting skills. You know what I mean? I got you.
I said, I'm gonna get him back. Is he really pranked me?
I got you, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do this. You know what I mean? Mr. Couple of Love.
Let us know in the comment section if you want to see a prank on him.
Nah, you can't get me. This is.
And
I did this all by myself.
Please let us know.
You probably gonna need help of the kids.
He
or
don't
somebody.
check the comments anyway.
You know what I'm saying?
So comment below if you want to see a prank. I'm gonna get you back.
You can't do nothing.
I'm gonna get you back, Mr. Household.
I can't be got.
He is gonna get you back.
Can't be got,
okay?
baby.
Mrs. Household is gonna get him back. I really thought, what was that you had in your mouth?
That was a fettuccine noodles. Crunch, crunch. I got that from
I was
TikTok
wondering,
video.
I'm like, what is that sound? But then I'm like,
Yeah, you had me watching all those TikTok videos. So yeah, I picked that up and I got you. So yeah. Give me a kiss. You mad at me? Does it taste like fettuccine or does it taste like you been got?
it tastes like I've been got. That was funny. And we're supposed to be doing a video, so I guess this is our video for today then.
Yeah, I got you. You know what
Like I'm all dressed up trying to get ready. I'm like, hurry up. Like, let's get ready to do something. You got me.
Yeah. Got you, baby.
Well.
All right, so make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe. And if y'all got some more pranks that y'all got, send them directly to my comments because I'm going to comment on this one. So y'all send them to me. Make sure she don't see them. All right, I'm going to get her. And I probably not get her when she read them because
I read them all the time.
I know. That's why you probably going to get your comments.
Right. Like, you guys, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and we'll be back. We'll see you in the next video. What?
What?